खुश रहूं, इसकी मैं कामना करता हूं।
Jirang MLA Sosthenes Sautin swiftly responded to instances of project vandalism in Assam's Maikhuli village and the halting of a central project by the Water Resource Department in Haula village located on the interstate border of Maikhuli and Assam. Reacting to the reported halting of the project in Haula village by the Assam government, MLA Sosthenes Sautin conducted an inspection of the village on Saturday and also visited Maikhuli village yesterday, where the Assam police had dismantled the signboard of a fishery pond. Addressing the media, Sautin strongly condemned the actions of the Assam police in dismantling the signboard in Maikhuli village and halting the water resource project in the village, where border settlement discussions are ongoing between the two states. He has informed Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma about the situation and urged him to address the issue with the Assam government.
But the program kali kecingja nama ba karba kecing keren kadangnya sekmat henry nak kalian ki board barang buai pakai jela ki officials nak ki buai kejelan Assam tuan ban penperaan berdaya kali pesan buat malah menjadi dan buai inspection berdaya pada ke jingja harba nak kalian ke Assam government kita bandai mankang ke buai ni project lembaga water resource keba deka central sponsored project kebaya lembaga sorka jela kejumi but ngelayak unpa uwe kene ka kubor sha on minister